Interesting little project today. This cart used to hold an oxyacetylene cutter with the two tanks right here, but I'm gonna modify a little bit to fit my basic Lincoln welder. I'm gonna take two angle irons and they're gonna go out here and do some cutting up here. So I removed the panel from here. Unfortunately, I have to move this. This is really good for the hose pop-up knew what he was doing. So I'll make the last cut on it here, but then hopefully I'll just move it up a little bit for the Weld-Pak. So this is what I'm thinking, but it doesn't quite fit. I have to take off a little bit more from here and here. Starting to make sense. Now that we have everything out of the way for the width and the handle, I'll figure out placement for these rails. And then that's getting pretty close. The sun has come out and I've made a wardrobe change. You want to do natural fibers for welding. So I'll make a final check on the measurements and alignment, and then we'll do some tacks and measure again, because if it's not right, we'll just pop it off till we get it right. Alright, looks like we're going to Hogwarts because this is platform 9 3/4. Let's put some metal to the metal. Very nice. Now I just lay it on nice and thick. Then we'll test fit the welder in the carriage. Bro, the alignment's perfect. So I'll take it off and just even out the welds, maybe grind down some of the bumps, and then I'm going to trim this off. Well, this little project turned out even better than expected. The alignment on the rails is really, really good. It fits right in between them, and then I'll just leave them with this length because you can slide it out and open up the door if you have any problem with the wire. This will make this old welder even easier to use. I'm sure it will contribute to many projects. Thanks for hanging out. This is Alex Daly on Daily Driver.